Hello students, now we proceed for the next part of antineoplastic agent. In this video, I have asked 3 questions in between video and at the end of the video. You have to give the answer of that questions in the comment box of the YouTube with your name. This will be considered as your attendance for the lecture. Okay, so let's start. Up till now, we have seen the different class of antimetabolite. What is meant by antimetabolite? Then classes of antimetabolite: folate antagonist, purine antagonist, pyrimidine antagonist. Under pyrimidine antagonist, the first drug is 5-fluorouracil. It interferes in the RNA synthesis and causing cytotoxic effect. It inhibits the enzyme thymidylate synthase. So mechanism of action: the metabolite 5-FD UAMP inhibit the thymidylate synthase. Then this is the detailed mechanism we have seen. Then properties, pharmacokinetics, uses. Next, second drug is floxuridine. Third drug under pyrimidine class, cytarabine. And the last group under the antimetabolite is the folic acid analog. Under this class, we have seen the drug methotrexate, the structure similarity with the folic acid. Because of that, it compete with the folic acid to binding with the enzyme DHFR and thus inhibit the role of DHFR, that is conversion of folic acid into dihydrofolate and dihydrofolate to the tetrahydrofolate, which is responsible for thymine synthesis and further DNA synthesis. Then we have seen the uses of methotrexate and the pharmacokinetic properties of methotrexate. Now we see synthesis of methotrexate. This synthesis is divided into two parts. In first part, N,4-methylaminobenzoyl glutamic acid is synthesized from 4-nitrobenzoyl chloride, which is reacted with L-glutamic acid, forming N,4-nitrobenzoyl glutamic acid. In this reaction, the HCl is released. Next step, the nitro group of which is reduced to amino group using hydrogen over ranitidine, which gives N,4-aminobenzoyl glutamic acid. Next step is this undergoes reductive methylation using formaldehyde and hydrogen, which forms N,4-methylaminobenzoyl glutamic acid. So this is the first part of the synthesis of methotrexate. The second part of synthesis of methotrexate. In the second part, the 2-amino-4-hydroxy-6-bromomethyl-pteridine is made from 2,4,6-triaminopyrimidine. This 2,4,6-triaminopyrimidine is synthesized by reacting malonic acid dinitrile with guanidine. This is first step, and the product is for 2,4,6-triaminopyrimidine. This product is nitrosylated by anhydrous nitrous acid, which gives 2,4,6-triamino-5-nitrosopyrimidine. and then it is reduced by sodium borohydride to give 2,4,5,6 tetraamino-pyrimidine. This product, upon reacting with 1,2-dibromopropionic aldehyde, the second part is formed, that is product of attaching bromine to acrolein, that gives 2-amino-4-hydroxy 6-bromomethyl pteridine is formed. This is the second part of synthesis of methotrexate, and this part is alkylating the amino nitrogen atom of N,4-methyl aminobenzyl amine benzoyl glutamic acid with resulting bromide gives methotrexate. So this is the complete synthesis of methotrexate. This is all about the antimetabolite. Now my first question is, which enzyme is inhibited by 5-fluorouracil? Listen once again. Which enzyme is inhibited by 5-fluorouracil? Okay, you have to answer that question in the comment box with your name. Now we proceed for the next class under anti-cancer, that is antibiotic. The anti-cancer antibiotic are the drugs that affect DNA synthesis and replication by incorporate into DNA or by donating electrons, which result in the production of highly reactive superoxide, means oxygen compound, that causes breakage of DNA strands. Many of the antineoplastic antibiotics are obtained from fungus Streptomyces. It includes dactinomycin, bleomycin, mitomycin, doxorubicin, etc. These compounds also having antibacterial activity, but due to their high toxicity, these are not used as a antibiotic. So first drug under the antibiotic we'll see, that is actinomycin. Actinomycin are obtained from some species of Streptomyces. They all are contain the phenoxazone chromophos ring, which is responsible for the yellow-red color of the compound. Dactinomycin having L-threonine, D-valine, L-proline, N-methylglycine and L-N-methylvaline amino acids. These are attached to each other and forming peptide bond. The hydroxyl group of L-threonine forms lactone ring with L-methylvaline. Actinomycin bind non-covalently to double strand of DNA. The planar aromatic ring phenoxazone is intercalate between guanine and cytosine base pair. Intercalate means insert between guanine and cytosine base pairs, and also peptide loops are responsible for the intercalation with the DNA, base pairs. This makes a stable dactynomycin DNA complex and which inhibit the further transcription. It also affects the DNA topoisomerase enzyme, topoisomerase 2 enzyme. This enzyme is responsible for the unwinding. So unwinding is also inhibited by this actinomycin. It also causes the DNA cleavage by the nucleases. Now we'll see the detailed mechanism of action. Here in this figure you will see the actinomycin drug having a red color which is inserted between the DNA base pairs. It is attached to the guanine and cytosine nucleus bases. This is in green color, and the blue color, it is the adenine and thymine nucleus bases. The yellow color, it is for the phosphate and sugar backbone of the DNA. So in this figure you can see the our drug, it is inserted or intercalate between the nucleus bases guanine and cytosine. For intercalation, the planar phenoxygen ring is important, which facilitate the intercalation between these DNA base pairs and which form the non-covalent bond with the DNA. Also, the peptide loops which are located within the structure, it having a minor grooves and which also having a additional interaction with the DNA, and the hydrophobic interaction and hydrogen bond are proposed to form between the peptide loops and the sugars and base pairs within the minor grooves. So this is the mechanism of action. Now my second question is, which ring is responsible for intercalation of DNA by actinomycin? Listen once again. Which ring is responsible for intercalation of DNA by actinomycin? Next drug is bleomycin. Antibiotic bleomycin is a glycopeptide complex obtained from Streptomyces verticillius. It is blue color chelate. Presence of blue color is due to copper present in it. When the copper is removed, it becomes white solid. Removal of copper from naturally occurring bleomycin is important for the material used clinically because it significantly reduces activity. The clinically used bleomycin is a mixture of copper chelating glycopeptide that consists of bleomycin A and bleomycin B. So this is the structure of bleomycin. In the above structure of bleomycin, a pyrimidine moiety joined to propionamide and a beta amino alanine amine side chain. The structure consists sugars, L-glucose and 3-carbamyl D-mannose. It also have a side chain with amino acid L-histidine and L-threonine, which is attached to a bithiazole carboxylic acid and a methyl valerate residue. So this is the structure. Now mechanism of action. Uh, this bleomycin, it having a DNA binding, that means bleomycin can intercalate between the DNA bases by the ring, that is by thiazole carboxylic acid ring, that is responsible for the intercalation of DNA. Also the electrostatic group, the positively charged group, which is also responsible for electrostatic interaction with the phosphate moiety of DNA. So mechanism action, first is it intercalate the DNA bases, and the second mechanism action is bleomycin bind with ferrous inside the cell. Here you can see the binding of the bleomycin with the ferrous ion. This complex of bleomycin with ferrous, it reduces oxygen, and due to reduction of oxygen, the superoxide radicals, free radicals produce, and these superoxide radicals which causes cleavage of the DNA. Here you can see the DNA bleomycin ferrous complex, it causes reduction of oxygen converting to ferric ions, and the reduced oxygen, it produces superoxide and hydroxyl free radicals, and it causes the breakdown of the DNA strands. Uses of bleomycin, it is used for the treatment of carcinoma of head, neck. It is also effective in Hodgkin's and non-Hodgkin's lymphomas and germ cells, tumors of testes and ovaries. Okay. Now my third question, last question is, bleomycin is obtained from which species of microorganism? Listen once again. Bleomycin is obtained from which species of microorganism? You have to give the answers of these three questions in the comment box of the YouTube with your name for purpose of attendance. Thank you for the listening.